today we're gonna do I ready math. Peter, he loves doing I ready, and he loves math. So let's do I ready math. He dances weirdly sometimes. Peter, sit down, okay? When I say sit down, sit down. Sorry for that, guys. I did not know you could not hear.
Which three cards have equal values?
Do you know, Peter?
No, what's there in the face?
Peter, do you know your numbers?
What's there in my face?
Oh, Peter, that's not my problem.
My lollipop.
We're both eating lollipop. Mine is cotton candy flavors. His is orange. His is orange flavored.
Oh, the lollipop.
These are what images of lollipop. Lollipops look like this. But I am not eating that type. Time to go back to I ready mode. We are now back at I ready. I almost bit my lollipop. Okay. No three. It's just one line. Which three cards have three equal values? 0 5s? 1 times 5? Oh no!
Try again.
Because that was not too curved like. Another one. There's electric. Power.
Match each multiplication expression to its product.
Okay, I don't have to listen to you. A lick, slurp. Wait a minute. I don't know why I'm doing the easiest one first and then moving to the hard ones. That's like flamingo. 12. Oh. No, I'm not doing that. Why did I even do that?
You got it.
Of course I did! Guys, how about we look at my minutes? Because I haven't actually seen them in a long week.
Are you sure you want to?
Let's check it and then go back to math.
My progress.
What day is it today? It's Sunday 12. Okay, yeah, it's Sunday 12. Sorry, excuse me. So what? Sunday. Look. Oh, this cotton candy flavor just tastes too good. I'm looking for 25. I'm in 20. Why did I say 25? Oh. No, I didn't mean to click that. I actually meant to click this. I'm almost done with my cotton candy. My cotton candy looks like this. That's what my lollipops looks like now. Yes. It does. I can use it for like brushing my teeth. But no. Luckily, I did not put toothpaste. Oh, but you can lick it and you can put it in your mouth. So I can just start to pretend. Ah, no, I'm not. I'm still there. Well, but we all know this equals 6. I better brush my teeth. Well, we already did
Nice.
for 7 minutes. Around. I'm going easy to hard. I already knew how to start multiplying when I was around 4 or 6. Oh, but I'm 8. I am now 8. I post videos of Pluri and you. And it's 8 minutes and 21 and 22 seconds and 23 seconds and 24 seconds and 25 seconds and 26 seconds and 27 and 28, 29 and so on. I should brush my teeth. I don't even know. 7, 35. What's 35? What? Oh. What equals O? What equals O?
That's it.
What's next?
Peter's here.
Which multiplication
Here.
expression does the array show?
Peter, are you serious? Peter. Hi, Peter. Bye-bye, Peter. What do you mean? I'm just going to do this. Because I do not know what that means.
Find the product.
Whoa. Chill down there. Because everyone knows it's 0.
Find the product.
Because, guys, if you add 0 6 times, it's still 0. Like 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. So if you add it 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got Speaking of that, this is kind of like a multiplication thing. Or a multiplication chart. I'll appear there. This is kind of multiplication. Not going to lie, guys. Listen. 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 101. We're going to keep on going. And so on. Now, I'm going to turn this into... Then this, we can also do this. 2, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92, 102. We're going to keep on going. And so on. So it's like the numbers never stop till it gets to infinity. Like it stops. 100. Well, but if I'm like this. Guys, what if I like this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 50, 58, 60, 62, 64, 68, and so on, and so on. Oh, guys, I was actually wrong. It was 66. Sorry, guys. But, not bye, but we're still going to do, oh, are you ready? We're here.
Find the product.
Peter! Wait. Are you bleeding? Oh, no. That's not blood. That was actually the red lollipop that got all into his mouth.
Lollipop, sister?
Yeah, Peter.
No, sister, and the 5.
And not 5? What do you mean?
Sister.
What? I mean, no, 0. What was I thinking? I was confused by this point.
Find the missing factor.
Sorry if I get it wrong. It's still not going to be my fault. I'm just going to cry.
Find the missing factor.
I better not get confused.
Nice job. You received 20 coins.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, but at least I still received it. But I don't like this number. Within 100? Oh, multiply within 100? That is so easy. Dino! It's Dino, not Dino, baby.
You've seen a bunch of ways to multiply. Let's practice.
Match each multiplication expression to its product.
Guys, I could have done like something like why do I always have to get? Well, don't forget. Okay, guys, we're almost gonna be done because this no, you're gonna make me close the tab. Well then, guys, before we're done, this is me as a teacher. This is me as a student. This is me as a principal. Yes, I am. And last but not least, This is me as a recess teacher, and I am shouting, time to line. Time to line up! That's what I am. So then,